Hello everybody and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. So we are looking at box 42 now. There's loads and this is stunning. You can see we've got the gold foiling on there. Now this box has been designed by the lovely Sharon Callis. I've not seen Sharon for such a long time. I'm really excited to see what she's put together for us. Now, I love this quote as well. Some call it a craft store, I call it the mothership. Now we're going to go through this box. As always, we're going to see what Sharon's put together for us. If you'd like to subscribe and have this as the first box you receive on your subscription, you can go along to www.papercraftsociety.co.uk. If you want to see more about purchasing older boxes from different designers, you can also do that on the same page. So let's have a look. So Sharon Callis Craft and Design. Now this is possibly one of the most beautiful boxes I've seen in the way of the outer packaging. As always, the box is really handy for storing things, for your craft storage and things like that, or for just keeping everything together that coordinates in it. But I also always love this wallet. Let's see, let's get this the right way round. Obviously, use your hashtags. When you are creating with any Papercraft Society box, it's a great idea to go onto social media, share your images, as you probably do already, but use the hashtag Papercraft Society, and that way we can see what you're making, we can share it with our audience too. So where do we start now? This is what I know Sharon for. Sharon's flowers are absolutely stunning. She creates the most beautiful handmade flowers, and these are kind of like the strip dies that you'll need to create those. We've got lots of other embellishments here as well, so you've got the word hello as a die, you've got florals and foliage and such there too, and I'm sure Sharon would talk you through how to use all of these within the project booklet, but we'll come to that in a little while. So we've got the dies there. Absolutely probably what I'd expect to see from Sharon. I'm surprised you get so many though. I thought maybe there'd be one flower, but it looks like you've got, it might be one flower but 3 different layers maybe, but I'd imagine they can all make other flowers. We shall see when we get to the project booklet. Then we've also got this. So these are the stamps. I'm just wondering if I've got a white. Haven't got a white, but I think that plain colour might be a little easier for you to see onto. So we've now got, oh, these are lovely. So we've got love you now, loved you then, loving you forever, wedding day, special day, birthday, anniversary. I love the font of that anniversary. Thank you for always being there for me. May your day bloom with love. When I count my blessings, I always count you twice. Oh, sending hugs. Sending best wishes on your, so then you can put birthday, anniversary, whatever, and especially for you on your as well. And then you've got your little florals and such, your borders too. There's a lot to this stamp set. You're going to use it all the time. Honestly, I think that's a really versatile set. Now let's have a look inside here. This actually, I'm not sure. I don't think this is paper. I thought it was paper, but I think it might be coloured vellum. No, it's paper. It's got that look. It's got that muted tone to it, hasn't it? Of vellum. Let's just see which way round. So these are double-sided, so you've got your green. I'm sure there's a reason for these colours. And as I say, I'm sure Sharon will explain this in the booklet about using these ombre papers. So you've got these are all double-sided, but they are paper, not cardstock. I'm guessing they're easier to use with the dies, with the florals for making the flowers. Beautiful peachy colour there as well, absolutely stunning. And then we have some papers. Now I assume these are your background papers, 4 different designs there. Look at those, a vintage feel to all of them. I'm in love with them. Absolutely, I cannot wait to get playing with this one. So exciting, and hopefully wait and keep an eye out for Sharon's craft along as well to learn some techniques. Now, as always, we've got more in here as well. So let's have a delve into the pink tissue paper. Very rustly, the noisiest material to use on a video. Let's grab all of these at once, get that rustling out of the way. I've just actually dropped the tape, so let's just grab that. There we go. And by tape, I mean this is so the floral tape. Oh, there's something else in there as well. So green floral tape. There's a lot there. There's an awful lot there. Fantastic. You've also got some green wire stems as well, so for making your flowers. You've got a ball tool, so your embossing tool. This is nice and heavy. You've got the metal ends, the large and the medium one there. And then you've also got like a quilling tool for rolling your florals with. We've got our cardstock here. So we've got 2 pink double-sided, and this is a card. It's a nice strong cardstock. That kind of yellowy greeny colour, beautiful. I love this burgundy colour, it's stunning, and a much darker, almost a grass green colour there. And then the booklet, which I've talked about a lot. Now, oh, look at these flowers on there. So you are making different styles of flowers there, 3 different sorts. I suppose you make different colours, different sizes by how tight you roll them at a guess without looking. And you can really have a whole bouquet. That is stunning. I cannot wait. Look at these. They are just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so you've got your tutorial there for how to make the flowers first of all. This is Sharon. You'll see her throughout the booklet. You'll probably see some guest designers as well. We usually have other people designing too. So these are Sharon's cards. We've got Glynis in there. She has made some beautiful florals too. We've got how to make a daisy. Now I'm not going to go through too much because I don't want to. We've got an interview with Sharon too. I don't want to give it away. If you want a lot of this to, oh wow. If you want this to be a surprise, just sneaking a window box there, that is beautiful. I'm really excited about this box. That is everything that's inside, box number 42. If you ever want to check, you've got it written on the spine there of the wallet. Box 42, so as I say, you can subscribe to this now. This will be the first box that comes through your door with your subscription. You'll have until the 20th of the month to subscribe to that, and then it will be a new designer for you. If you want to go back and buy individual boxes, older boxes, you can do that on the www.papercraftsociety.co.uk website. Just have a look here. There's the website address. So you can go and have a look there and you'll see individual boxes. Now these are always boxes that have passed the subscription, so you won't be able to purchase this one individually just yet, not for a little while yet. So grab it while you can on a subscription. There are different subscription options for you. You've got different offers with each subscription term as well. This is open internationally for you too. So enjoy that, and we'd love to see what you make with your Papercraft Society box.